This app affairs show you
How to backup your iPhone to iCloud. After you backup your iPhone in iCloud, you have a copy of your information to use in case your device is ever replaced, lost, or damaged. Here's how to backup your iPhone to iCloud. First of all, make sure to connect your device to a Wi-Fi network and then go to your iPhone settings. Tap on your name. Tap on iCloud. And here, tap on iCloud Backup. And now, enable Backup this iPhone option. Once it's turned on, now to backup your iPhone to iCloud, just tap on Backup now. And it may take some time to completely backup your iPhone to iCloud. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.